Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from Nadine West. This is a monthly clothing subscription and this is my December bag. So there's 2 bundles inside and they do give you a return slip. If there's anything you don't want, you put it back in the bag, put this on here, and you won't be charged once they receive it for the things that you keep. I got 2 tops, 2 bottoms, a dress, and a necklace. So let's dig in and take a look. Oh, this is pretty. I have a sweater from Shiela Rose. I love that brand. It has like navy, then it fades into like a khaki, and then it has pink. Looks a little sheer at the bottom layers too. That's cool. And it's long sleeves and it's bunched up there in the corner. So I'll insert pictures of these items as well at the end. That way you can see it better, full size. Oh my. It's got a really thick chain. Haven't received any like that before. It looks like it is adjustable with the length. That's cool. It has like a little music note at the end. Very interesting. Another item from Shiela Rose. I guess this is a top. If not, it's a short dress. It does have like a little cut out there in the front, short sleeves. It's a pretty purple shade, and it does have like a little swoop there. Oh, it is a dress. I see pockets. So this would be like super short, I think. A lot of their dresses are, so something you could pair with leggings and like tall boots probably. That's cute. And some jeggings. Got a nice dark shade, lightly distressed. And those are by Zuey, I guess is how you say that. Those are very nice. And I'll insert the prices too at the end. I do get these bags for free, so they put like a mark through the price. So sometimes it's hard to tell what the price is, but for the most part, I think I have it pretty accurate. We have some black dress pants that are tapered. Plain on the front. Doesn't look like there's pockets on the front or the back. That's kind of nice. I basically live in like solid black clothing, black pants, so love that. And no, this is definitely a dress. See, now I'm confused because that other one, I guess it's supposed to be a top. I'm only supposed to have one dress and it's this one. So I guess the other one's just a top with pockets. Shop Basic. This is very cute. It's long sleeve, crosses in the front. I love the gray. Very cute. So I'm going to go ahead and insert the pictures now and all the prices. If you're interested, I will make sure to put all the information below on how to sign up for subscription and a promo code as well. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.